Maybe it's my
Age 13,
ugly.
I was buck wild, good at my number game, made it through a tough childhood, never be the same, walked in my daddy's shoes. No time to be a peaceful man, to shadow fools. That's till I put my eyes on you. Goddamn, sweetheart, you got some eyes on you. Now I can't wait to get you home, get you all alone in my bedroom. Baby, can we bone and get it on? Tell me, lady, how you like me, and if you want it harder, baby, come and bite. So do it like, cause that excites me, the lady pop. And if you lick me right, I do it all night. Only got fucked by a drug dealer, never felt the real passion of a thug nigga. Though I like the way you scream when you're loving me, I'm going deep, Mr. Thug in me. Follow me, I got a gun on me, going for none of the drug, baby. You know what nigga needs some, it's my thug crazy rock rock. When I be thugging till I die, picture a nigga getting high on weed. I got label me like a belly thug nigga with life, living life like a rock star's Friday night. Make money, get rich, always keep a taser, cell phone in the ride to complete my nature, man. More baby when we roll this song, it's so strong, niggas in the next room will come. I got your head swinging, come